Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into a quick review. This is about a month later. As you see, the hair has held up pretty good. Pretty much, you know, the longer you wear it, the more it's gonna wear. And actually, it actually starts to look somewhat more natural. So there were a lot of people who really asked me, so how long have you been growing your hair? So that's how I knew I must have did this shit good. I must have did this thing real good. So I included the screenshot earlier. I'm gonna post the screenshot again, but the link is definitely in the description box. This hair, I was kind of skeptic, came from Amazon. The price was pretty cheap, but I will say this hair has held up pretty good. Now, these are my recommendations. Do not, by all means, do not take a lighter and burn the ends to seal the hair. Y'all, I actually allowed someone to convince me to do that. And what happens is that hard burnt end starts to stick to the other dreads and it pulls them apart. And that was making the dreads like become hard to manage. They were sticking together, they were tangling together. And I eventually just ended up just cutting the burnt ends off just so that I could retain the integrity of the hair. So the hair is perfectly fine without burning it. I was able to do about 2 styles with this. Had I installed it differently, I would have been able to wear it differently, if that makes sense. But all in all, I am overall pleased with how the look came out. This is my first time trying blue hair. I felt like it was a little, but I mean, it came out good. It looked good. It was a hit. It was a hit. I'm definitely going to order hair like this again. Maybe not this color. Maybe I won't go this color. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna try like a green next time. I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. But anyway, I do want to thank you guys for tuning in. Remember to like, remember to share this thing, man, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, what are you waiting on?